Hello students, in this video we will see one more numerical example on calculation of leverages, specifically calculation of operating leverage. So the example is, following information is taken from the records of a hypothetical company. The installed capacity is 1000 units. The operating capacity is 800 units. That means the sales are to be taken as 800 units because the operating capacity is that much. Then the selling price per unit is rupees 10. Variable cost per unit is rupees 7. You are required to calculate the operating leverage under the following situations. So different situations are given under which you have to calculate the operating leverage. So next line they have given the fixed cost in rupees. Under situation A, the fixed cost is rupees 800. Under situation B, the fixed cost is rupees 1200. And under situation C, the fixed cost is rupees 1500. Now let us see how to solve this example. Now here they have given three situations. The three situations are given in the example under which we need to calculate the operating leverage. So we'll need to prepare a table in which there will be 4 columns. One will be particulars, situation A, situation B and situation C. All 3 columns will have rupees columns. Then we need to calculate the operating leverage. So the formula for calculating the operating leverage is contribution divided by operating profit. So first step will be to calculate the contribution. So students, how do we calculate contribution? Contribution is nothing but sales minus variable cost. So in order to calculate the contribution, first of all we'll have to begin with the sales. Now they have given the sales as 800 units. That is the capacity which they are using. So it is 800 units and the selling price per unit is rupees 10. So 10 into 800. So the sales will be rupees 8000 rupees under all 3 situations. Then the variable cost. Now variable cost per unit is rupees 7 and the number of units are 8. So total variable cost will be 7 into 800. So that will be rupees 5600 for all 3 situations. So from the sales, when we deduct the variable cost, we get contribution. So the contribution under all 3 situations is rupees 2400. Now from the contribution, if we deduct the fixed cost, we get operating profit. So the fixed cost is given, different fixed amounts are given for different situations. So for situation A, the fixed cost is rupees 800. Situation B, the fixed cost is rupees 1200, and for situation C, the fixed cost is rupees 1500. So the operating profit under situation A is rupees 1600, B it is 1200, and situation C, the operating profit is rupees 900. Now we can calculate the operating leverage using the formula. The formula is C upon OP, that is contribution divided by operating profit. Now under situation A, the operating leverage will be rupees 2400 divided by rupees 1600. So it will be 1.5 for situation A. For situation B, the operating leverage will be rupees 2400 divided by 1200. So that will be 2. And for situation C, the operating leverage will be rupees 2400 divided by 900. So that will be 2.67. So students, I hope you'll have understood how to calculate the operating leverage from this numerical example. Thank you.